The building just started ripping apart.
Metal, wood, glass.
10 minutes after I get up from my desk, this room's gone.
BELFOR rolled into town, and they quickly started fixing our school.
All this damage with the tornado and everything, and this BELFOR employee noticed a goldfish and took him home. Though I am sure a goldfish may be the least of your concerns, I wanted to let you know that he is alive and doing well at our home in Westfield. We call him Henry. We would like to return him to you and your students whenever the time comes that you are able to take him back.
Good morning, Henryville. Welcome to our first day of school.
I made them a promise that their kids would be back on the first day of school. At BELFOR, we're restoring more than property.